Hey, friends, before we jump into today's episode, we want to make sure you know that registration is open for the next free Math is Figureoutable Challenge happening August 26, 27, 28.
Y'all, nearly 40,000 educators have registered for a challenge to date, which is just incredible.
This challenge is all about reaching more students by helping students experience math that connects across grade levels. We'll explore the models that grow with students, like area models, ratio tables, and number lines, so that the mathematical models they learn today keep working and help learning tomorrow.
You'll see how what you do this year feeds into next year's math and beyond, empowering students to build on what they already know instead of starting over every year.
It's 3 evenings where we math together, reason together, and experience mathematics as something that actually makes sense.
We'll meet live each evening at 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Mountain, and 5 p.m. Pacific time.
Y'all, you can register now at mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge.
All right, let's get into this episode.
Woo! Hey, fellow mathers, welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam Harris.
And I'm Kim Montague.
And this episode is a Math Strat Chat episode where we chat about our math strategies. Every Wednesday evening, I throw out a math problem on social media and people from around the world chat about the strategies they use and comment on each other's thinking.
Okay, so this Wednesday, our problem was 28.8 divided by 1.6. How would you like to solve this problem? Pause the podcast, solve it before you tune in to how we're solving it. It's 28.8 divided by 1.6.
All right, Kimberly.
Yes, ma'am. Do you want to go first or do you want me to?
You go ahead.
Okie doke. 20. So the first thing I'm going to do is call it 288 divided by 16.
Okay.
I don't know why. I'm just not feeling it today. So
you scaled up both by 10 to find equivalent ratio. Okay.
Yeah. But I'm actually at that point not going to think about equivalent ratios. I'm going to say, first I was thinking 10 times 16, but I'm actually going to go 20 times 16 would be 320.
Okay.
So I'm going to go a little over, and now I got to figure out how much over.
20 and 12.
Oh, that's nice. It's 32 over. So then I'm going to subtract 2 16s, which is 32. So I think it's 18 16s is 288.
Which means 18 1.6s is 28.8.
Correct.
Nice. Okay, cool. So I also started with 28.8 divided by 16. I wrote it as a ratio, and I actually wrote 288 divided by 16. So when I wrote the ratio, I'd already scaled up by 10. Mm-hmm. And then I decided to divide by 4 because 28, I can do that. 28 divided by, 280 divided by 4. Mm-hmm. So 280 divided by 4 is 70, and that extra 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 72, sorry. 288 divided by 4 is 72. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay, now that I'm there, 72 divided by 4. Kim, I'm going to try the thing that I'm still trying to get good at.
Okay.
I know what 72 divided by 8 is. 72 divided by 8 is 9. But I need to know 72 divided by groups that are half as big. If the group is half as big, not 8 groups, just 4 groups, then what's in them has to be twice as big. So I have to have twice as many in the group. So that would be twice 9 is 18.
Nice.
How would you describe that? It's using 72 divided by 8 to think about 72 divided by 4.
Yeah, I think pretty similar to what you did. Is if it were 72 divided by 8, then there would be 9 in each group.
Uh-huh.
But I have less groups, so I need more in each group.
Yeah. You know, it's funny. The reason I just chuckled wasn't what you were saying. It was the fact that I could have just divided 72 divided by 2 is 36, and 4 divided by 2 is 2, and I know 36 divided by 2 is 18. That's funny.
Yeah, but you know what?
I wanted to play.
But in the same way,
playing was fun.
Yeah, but in the same way that you could have done divided by 2, you went straight to divided by 4, which I think is pushing you to think about, like, I don't just have to keep doing divided by 2, you know?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing.
Yeah. Nice. All right.
Cool.
We can't wait to see what you do every week. Join us on Math Strat Chat and let us know how you're thinking about the problems, and then comment on each other's strategies.
We love it when you do that. Y'all, I'll post the problems on Wednesdays around 7 p.m. Central. When you answer, tag me and use the hashtag MathStratChat. It's funny, Kim. I will meet people at conferences and stuff, and they'll say, hey, I do your Strat Chat. And I'm like, it's Math Strat Chat, but it's fine. Then join us here to hear how we're thinking about the problem. We love having you as part of the Math is Figure-Outable movement. Math is figure-outable.
Hey, before you go, this is your reminder that registration is open for the next Math is Figure-Outable Challenge, which is happening August 26th, 27th, and 28th.
Y'all, nearly 40,000 educators have already registered for challenges over the years, and we'd love for you to join us at this time to reach more students.
If you've been wondering how today's teaching impacts tomorrow's student, this challenge is for you. You'll discover how connected models help students make sense of mathematics year after year.
When we teach in ways that work when students are young and continue to work as the mathematics becomes more sophisticated, we're setting students up to do even more than we thought possible because math is figure-outable as it continues.
We'll be live each evening at 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Mountain, and 5 p.m. Pacific time.
Hey, head over to mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge to register.
We cannot wait to math with you.